There are many styles of doors. When you start with, it's a tricky question, styles of doors. There's entry doors. There's 36-inch entry doors with a single side light, an entry door with a double side light. A lot of builders will build large, grand entryways in their homes, and you have a very wide opening in the entryway for an entry door. They're basically windows that are attached to a door jamb or a door frame. They come usually in 12 or 14-inch side lights, which means you're going to have a window on each side of a door that is the same height as a door, and that's what a side light is. And then you have a transom window, which usually is a horizontal window or piece of glass that would go over the entire width of the door with the side lights. You have just simple slab doors for like garages, from going from the garage into the home. You have door styles for side entry, and of course then there's a couple different door styles for the back of the home. I'm talking about full glass, half glass, sliding patio doors, French doors, and atrium doors. And within all of those styles, you can pick from hundreds and hundreds of actual styles of slabs. Again, when it comes to a slab, we're talking about the actual moving part of the door that's hinged or slides. When it comes to entry doors, you can do the full glass. Within that, there are options for leaded glass, obscured glass, a gridded clear glass, stained glass. You can do half glass doors with all those same glass options. You can do what they call quarter glass. Then your actual door slabs, one that's really popular around here would probably be a 6-panel. 6-panel doors are what the builders typically use in this area of the country. Just a very traditional look as far as interior casing. We use a lot of colonial style interior casing in this area of the country. And when you case a door jamb with a colonial casing, it just goes with that 6-panel as more of a colonial style looking door. Somebody deemed colonial casing in colonial style homes. 2-story, flat front 2-story homes with a simple roof line. Do not see the arched doorways in this area of the country. Not a lot of the manufacturers around here do or specialize in the curved top doors. Traditional Tudor homes, you see a lot of arches, and customers that we've helped with in the past that have Tudor homes with the curved top doors, it's usually a wood slab and it's a custom product. Back doors are usually framed in at a standard. Side door, entry doors are usually framed in at a standard. If we have to do a custom, again, depending on the size of the opening, it all depends on the project and the size of the door opening that we're doing, whether we're custom shrinking the door down or enlarging it. So you would just have to contact somebody like Energy Pro to give you an idea of what that cost would be. There's no standard cost in a customized project. It's all based on the project itself.